Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 4 of this restaurant. Let's get started. So in the last video, you were able to continue working on this, especially we added some toilets and all the things here. Now we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is to add floor. So here I'm going to go to architecture and then click on floor. And then here we have generic floor 400. We could edit type and then duplicate this. This will be our floor number 1. Press OK, and we're gonna put this thickness to 200. And in terms of material, we're just going to add in a concrete material for now. We'll see what we're gonna do is concentrate on the outside. So in terms of different materials for the floor, I think this is good enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on rectangle, and what we're gonna do is we're going to go until the exterior wall. So here I'm just gonna do a line and then a line right here. AL. So that's a line right there. And then another rectangle, or we don't need to click on that. We could just click on the pick line. And then here, TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. And that will be good. Click finish. And then we have our flooring. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to change the height of some of them. So here, let's go to our south elevation. For our garage, we will put it up to the top of garage height. So here, I'm gonna select this one, change this to top of garage. This one as well, top of garage. And then now we have a problem with this one. So let's go back to floor plan. And here we have a continuous wall right here. So what we could do is we could click split with gap. So once we have the gap, we could just move it like that, and then we could select this and then top of garage right there. If we see it in 3D, we have that, and then what we could do is we could just trim this out, TR, and then let's remove the gap. There we go. And then now remove this, TR, remove constraint, and then now everything is connected again. This is interior, so we could change that to exterior, because part of that is exterior. So let's just change that for now. And then everything is connected again. So we're gonna have a roof for this, a different roof for this one, and then for the top parapet. So basically we're modeling our elevation right now, so that it's easier for everyone. So here, our cutoff, let's go to our north elevation. Um, I'm planning to cut off around this part because this is where the garage is. Our cutoff maybe around the sixth line, so the grid line. So we need to click on the gap here. So let's see our floor plan and see right here. This will be a different height. We need to do this because there's our changing levels right here, and we need to have everything consistent. We could make it number 5 instead. I don't want to bother everyone by splitting it around here. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click with gap, split with gap, split with gap right here. Unjoin element, and then split with gap right here. Unjoin that. So now everything would be top off, low parapet. So now everything connected should be low parapet. This one should be low parapet now instead. This one should be with the split gap. Low parapet right here. And then I think it's a good idea to go to south elevation so that we can select walls that are still going up. Here I'm going to select and then low parapet right there. Apply. This one low parapet as well. And then let's just keep on selecting. And then now what we can do is go to our floor plan again and then just select here and join them or join them. So here allow to join and then allow to join again. Remove constraint. So now everything is looking good. We could just move this back a bit, unjoin, and then we could just join this one with a different height. We need to allow join as well. We could delete this, and then here we could just join them. And then same goes to here. Remove constraint and allow them to join. TR. There we go. And then here we just need to allow them to join. Remove constraint, and looks like it's in the middle. So now everything looks like this. We're gonna have a parapet on each and every one of them, and then this will be just a top there. So might as well just add the top or the roof. So we could just go to modeling afterwards. So top of the parapet, or let's go to floor plan instead. And then from here, we could just select the base of the floor or the roof. Click on the roof. This will be top of the parapet. So this portion. So this will be roof number 1. Edit. This will be 200 thickness, and then what we could do is asphalt. Shingles. So that's good enough. Press OK. And then here we could just go from the inside. Press escape first because we need to uncheck the fine slope. And then here, like we said, it's all the way up to 5. We can move that one in or out. So now it will look like this. We should go to the inside. So edit footprint and then just AL and then align it from here. And then select anything that's connecting this one. And then here we could just top offset this to 400 is good enough. So we have a parapet at the top like that. Don't worry, for this one, we could just extend it or add a different one. So we're going to extend this part as well later on. So now we're going to add here and there. So floor plan again. Click on roof. So our base level should be low parapet now. And then let's go here, select this one to the inside of this wall. So that's from the 5th grid line. There we go. We just need to move this one all the way to the top. So top offset again, 400. Click apply. And then we could just fix this one later on. So actually we could just put this one 400 as well. But as you can see, we're still missing some parts right here. What we could do is we could extend this one, and instead we could create an opening wall for that area so that it doesn't look bad at all. So we will do that. Let's just finish this one for the garage. Floor plan again. Click on roof and then top of garage. Yes. And here we could just add in from the inside again and then click finish. Here we could just select each wall by holding on control button and selecting those walls. And then after that, top offset to be 400 to have that parapet right there. Now let's extend this so that everything is looking good. This is the wall right here that I'm talking about. So once we extend this, we need an opening here. So to look at that, let's add in a section right here. I'm going to add a section right here, select this, and this will be the wall right here. Okay, so this is the wall that we're talking about. We're going to create an opening. That something looks like that. We can put it down and we could just move it, unjoin it, and then now we have same idea, but we have the same wall as well. It doesn't need to be changed at all. If we look at the floor plan, it should be right here, but it's not impeding what we have, or it's not looking like a closed wall right here because of the view range that we have. So now we could just delete this, and if we see our 3D, everything is closed. This one we could just make sure that it's not attached or it's not showing too much. So now everything looks proper. And that's a very useful way of using a wall opening. We have this. If you want to see the door handles, make sure to change it to 5. So now the door handle is right there. And it looks much better. This is a service door. And we also have another service door right here. This one was, I think, exit door. So let's go back to our floor plan. And before we finish this, let's add in the curtain wall. So here, let's click on wall and then go to drop down and then curtain wall. I'm going to add somewhere around the 7th and 8th. So we're going to add a curtain wall right here. I want it from the inside like that. Again, from the 9th to 12th. So we're going to add somewhere right here. Flip it again. And then at the around 9th mark. Press escape and we have somewhere there. And obviously around the entrance we will have so another curtain wall somewhere around the middle right here from A to B all the way right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to push this one all the way right here, and I want another one that is different just for the entrance, and I want to flip it from the inside again like that. So here I want to flip it again. So we have somewhere right here, and then right here. And then obviously we're going to have another one right here as well. So let's add in another curtain wall. CS around here. So here we could just move it a little bit like that. We could put in some logos right here. Somewhere like that. We will have something here in the middle, maybe the logo as well. And then from the other side, it's basically where the machines will go. So we will have some um, some way for the drive-through here. So we could use curtain wall as well. It will be the first window can be around 3 and 4. So in front here, and then the next one should be around number 8 grid line. And lastly, it will be around 11 and 12. So there will be 3 of them, first, second, and third window. And then obviously those windows gonna be short. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.